Curse no more. The rise of funk.
In the quiet village of Amadon, Funka had just married Oba. 3 months of joy, then pain.
3 months and no child, you're cursed.
Her mother-in-law, Iyasewa, became a nightmare, beating, insulting, and humiliating her daily. One night, as Funka cried by the river, a mysterious priestess appeared.
She sealed your womb. She is a witch.
Funk was shocked, but hope was planted.
I sealed every womb. They won't take my son from me.
The villagers heard. Rage filled the air. Justice was swift.
She's a witch! She cursed them all!
By dawn, Ayasewa was gone. Her evil ended. Weeks later, Funk felt dizzy, this time with joy.
I'm pregnant?
Months passed. A bouncing baby boy was born. She suffered, but now she shines. Funka, mother of joy.